Energy is a part of physical science. What is energy? Think of energy as the get up and go that allows things to happen. For example, when you lift a book, the energy from your muscles is converted into potential energy because the book is higher off the ground. When you drop the book, this potential energy transforms into kinetic energy as it falls. In everyday life, the energy in your food gives you the power to move and do tasks. So, whether it's the energy in sunlight, food, or your own body, it's what makes things work and change around you. Electromagnetic energy refers to the energy associated with electromagnetic waves, which include light, radio waves, microwaves, and more. It is a form of energy that is propagated through space and exhibits both electric and magnetic components. In practical terms, this energy can be harnessed for various applications, such as electricity generation, communication, and medical imaging. Conservation of energy and energy transfer. How do electromagnet work? An electromagnet works by passing an electric current through a coil of wire, creating a magnetic field. This magnetic field is temporary and can be turned on or off by controlling the flow of electric current. The strength of the electromagnet depends on factors like the number of turns in the coil and the amount of current flowing through it. Electricity and magnet combine to form plasma, the fourth state of matter. Electromagnet is, the flow of electricity is called an electric current. An electric current is made up of charges in motion. Charges in motion can produce a magnetic field. Electricity generates a magnetic field. In a coil, magnetic field lines are concentrated. Electricity through a single wire has a weak magnetic field. Magnetic field is stronger when the coil is wrapped around an iron bar, i.e. nail. This is an electromagnet. Electromagnetism, a recap. Electric current through a single wire has a weak magnetic field. When wrapped around an iron bar, the magnetic field becomes stronger. You now have an electromagnet. Have you seen real-world electromagnets at work? Please comment your experience. For more videos, please subscribe Ahan Learning Institute.